In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wuthering Waves lag. So here are a few options that will help you fix your lag inside the game. So first and foremost, you want to check the system requirements, okay? Now, if your system requirements do not meet and if your computer is not good enough, yeah, you may experience lag because of this, okay? Because again, if you don't have the minimum requirements, your frame rate and lag issues can somewhat be expected, okay? Now, make sure your OS version is Windows 10 64-bit or Windows 11 64-bit. Now, for the CPU, they recommend Intel i5 9th generation, Ryzen 2700, or Intel 9th gen, or Ryzen 3700, okay? So these are the recommendations, or of course, you can have better processors as well, if you can, yeah, if you do. And then memory should be 16 gigabytes or above, and then the GPU recommended is GTX 1060 or RX 570, and then Intel Arc A380, okay? These are the recommended options, and then storage is 30 gigs, which you probably have. Now, if you have all the requirements but still experience lag, then we can continue, but if you don't, you may want to upgrade your computer and then play the game. Now, if that didn't fix the issue for you and you have all the requirements, you may want to reinstall the game drivers, okay? So yeah, again, you want to simply reinstall the game drivers, and this may help solve your issue. Now, you also may want to change the in-game server. So if you are experiencing stuttering with your frames, it's important to conclude whether this is coming from a graphics error or a connection-based lag problem. Now, this is because when players have high ping, they can stutter and bounce around the game map, which may be mistaken as a graphics problem. Now, Wuthering Waves enables players to select a server, so if you're having trouble with your ping, you may find a solution by testing gameplay on yet another server, okay? So make sure to try this. Then the second thing you can do is to change your in-game settings. So, due to system requirements, your graphics settings may also be having an impact on your frame rate inside the game, and you may want to lower your visual graphics settings, and then you may find your game running much better with much higher FPS, okay? Of course, it's going to look a bit worse. It's not going to look that great with worse graphics, but yeah, you kind of have to pay that price in order for the game to run better in case you have more of a low-end PC. Now, you may also want to disable extras, so there are a few extras that can be disabled to try and remedy your issue, as they have been identified in the past by some players to cause issues in multiple video game titles. Now, you should test turning on or off your VSync on your computer, on your graphics card, and see if that impacts the gameplay positively, okay? If it does, you may want to leave it what's best for you, whether that's enabled or disabled, and yeah, it may solve your lag issue. Now, the last thing, you may want to change the install location, okay? So when you're installing the game, you may want to install it somewhere else than you have it already, okay? So in order for this to work, you first have to, of course, delete the game from your computer, and then yet again reinstall the game and install it to a different location, and this could help your lag problems go away, okay? And that's it. That's how you fix lag in Wuthering Waves, and I hope this video helped you out.